Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju, representing the Enforcement Directorate (ED), sought the Aam Aadmi Party (AAP) chief's judicial custody for 15 days, stating that Kejriwal had not been cooperative and had not shared his passwords with the agency. The ED had earlier said that Kejriwal was the kingpin and key conspirator of the Delhi excise scam. Kejriwal's wife Sunita and party colleagues and AAP MLAs Atishi, Saurabh Bharadwaj and Gopal Rai were inside the courtroom on Monday. A report by the Indian Express said before he was produced in court, Kejriwal told reporters outside the courtroom what the Prime Minister is doing is not good for the country. The ED in its remand application stated that during his custodial interrogation, the Delhi Chief Minister had said that his interaction with AAP Communications in charge, Vijay Nair, a co-accused in the case, was limited. The ED also alleged in the remand papers that the Chief Minister was shown WhatsApp chats showing the involvement of Vijay Nair in the alleged scam. Along with this, the agency also said that it showed the Chief Minister evidence of more than 10 meetings of Nair with other co-accused involved in the case. According to the agency, the Chief Minister was also shown evidence of hawala transfers to the tune of Rs 45 crore, along with multiple statements of witnesses who worked on the AAP campaign in Goa, who allegedly received cash from a Janpreet Singh, who was working for the AAP campaign in Goa. The ED had, in an earlier remand application, alleged that kickbacks received after changes in the excise policy were used to fund AAP's assembly poll campaign in Goa. Kejriwal's counsel also moved on application in court to allow him to get access to 3 books, the Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, and How Prime Ministers Decide by journalist Nirja Chowdhury, while in judicial custody.